This is a little booty what we've got here today. This is the InfiRay TD50L night vision scope. As you can see, it's just like a telescopic sight, so it will fit on your rifle just like an ordinary telescopic sight, which makes it a lot easier when it's on the gun to shoot and to use. Full aluminium casing, nice big buttons to use at night. So if you've got gloves on or if it's cold, there's no issue with that. It's got two batteries, one built-in internal and an external battery, which is take that cap off, you can swap it. So at night, if it starts to run low, you take one out of your pocket, drop it in, and you can carry on. It has a 600-meter detection range, picture-in-picture mode, and a smooth continuous zoom of 4:16. With this one, you've got the IR torch. It comes with its own clamp that will fit onto the scope wherever you want it to go. So that'll give you some extra distance. Good little unit, improves its performance, no end. Brilliant unit, works extremely well. £875, and yeah, really good.